Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use Alexa with Amazon Shopping. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, make sure that you are logged in into your Alexa with the same Amazon account that you are logged in right over here on your PC. Now, as you can see, I have Shop with Alexa information opened right here. As you can see, it says Alexa offers a custom shopping experience based on your needs, whether you're trying to save more, search less, or shop faster. Alexa can help. So you can repeat purchases. So for example, Alexa, help me reorder cookies. Then Alexa will simply go ahead and do that. You can also do Alexa, add pasta to my shopping list, or add something to your shopping list, which is grocery shopping. You can also simply go ahead and do accounts and orders. So Alexa, where's my stuff? What did I order this month? Go to my order history, stuff like that. You can also go ahead and ask for a shopping question. What's the most popular dog food right now? How many calories are in an avocado and stuff like that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.